So, when we talk about why food spoils or how microorganisms grow in food, we need to understand something called intrinsic factors. These are simply the natural characteristics of food itself, which affect whether microbes can grow or not. Now, let's imagine food as an environment where microorganisms are trying to live. Just like humans need the right condition to survive, microbes also need suitable conditions. And many of these conditions come from the food itself. First, think about pH, which tells us how acidic or alkaline a food is. Most bacteria prefer a neutral environment, not too acidic and not too alkaline. That's why highly acidic foods like fruits such as oranges or lemons do not support easy bacterial growth, but they may still allow molds and yeast to grow. Next is water activity, which is about how much usable water is available for the food. Microorganisms need water to grow. Food with high water activity, like milk or fresh meat, spoil quickly because they provide enough water for microbes. And on the other hand, dry foods like biscuit or dry grains last longer because there isn't enough free water for microbial growth. So another important factor is nutrient content, which plays a very vital role. So microorganisms need food just like we do. Food rich in proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals such as meat, eggs, and milk are excellent sources of nutrients. So, microbes grow very quickly in them. We also have something called redox potential, which is related to the availability of oxygen. So, some microorganisms need oxygen to grow, while others grow better without it. Depending on how much oxygen is present in the food, different types of microbes will grow. Some foods naturally contain antimicrobial substances which help protect them. Like, for example, egg contain lysozyme, and many spices have natural compounds that slow down or stop microbial growth. This act like the food's own defense system. Another factor is the biological structure of the food. Many foods have natural protective coverings like the skin of fruits or the shell of eggs. These structures prevent microorganisms from entering. However, once the surface is damaged, like when the fruit is cut, microbes can get easily inside and it can start growing. Finally, moisture content plays a very important role. Food with high moisture generally spoil faster because they support microbial growth. Well, foods with low moisture tends to last longer. So in simple terms, intrinsic factors are built-in properties of food like acidity, water, nutrients, and natural protection that determine whether microorganisms can grow or not. Understanding these factors, which helps us know why some foods spoil quickly while others can be stored for a very long time.